Today, I'll show you how to automatically generate dynamic captions using AI captions in just a few steps. First, import your audio or video file into the timeline. Select the audio and go to the Titles tab. Make sure AI Captions is selected, and here you'll see the Dynamic Captions option. Click Transcribe and a dialog box will appear. Set the transcription language to Auto Detect, and since we don't need a translation, leave that set to No Translation. Make sure Entire Timeline Sequence and Auto Match are selected, then hit Generate. Filmora will now process the audio and generate captions automatically. Once done, the captions will appear as a separate layer on your timeline. Now let's customize them. Select the captions, and on the right side editing panel, you can change the font style for active words, the background color for active and keywords, overall caption styling. Filmora also offers pre-made caption templates that you can choose from. Browse through them and select the one that fits your project. And that's it. You now have AI generated dynamic captions in Filmora, super quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tricks.